And we are back once again. If you see the vibes, man, you know the vibes, man. Positive vibe once again. I got the trio back once again because it's been a super duper long. We recording this video super duper late because once again people got work and all of that. So yeah, we just in here like this. But like I said, NCT video once again, you feel me? NCT units embracing their incredibly chaotic nature, you feel me? By Cherry verse undefeated times. So hopefully this video is some fail because hey, I'm very chaotic and he's very chaotic. He's very chaotic. So hey, I'm just trying to say how chaotic we all can be. You feel me? Stay tuned. We'll see how fail this video is together. Really is that simple.
I feel like the greatest, only been at this for 2.
We're going to JCSquad, man. How you feeling? How you been? Y'all know who it is. Really so the real. This man's right here. Oh, I missed that. I missed that sound. We are back once again with another reaction video. Team once again. You feel me? It's been a little minute once again, but y'all, I am sorry. I would tell y'all the whole entire reasoning, but no, we just gonna get. We just here. We just gonna be here. NCT once again. You feel me? I really miss recording. Like I gotta get look, y'all. I'm sorry. Like. Cherry verse undefeated channel, you feel me? I really do hope this video is so favorable. For me, 6 days without recording is a pretty decent time, you feel me? So hopefully this can just start off the little train, you feel me? Because yeah, stuff been happening and I don't care about that. Like, you feel me? Before we get into this video though, I want my brothers to introduce themselves because yeah, that's how it works.
It's your boy Robin Arrow, and I'm back in this mug for another reaction video.
How you doing? How you been? It's your boy Cold Hearted J, and I am here again.
No. Y'all know my brother got their own channel, you feel me? Really though, it's that something. Talk to links out there in the description. What's so that love? You wanna go watch more Fuego videos because like I said, we got other videos to record after this video. It's grind time. What's so that love? Talk to these links, please and thank you. Really is that something. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna show y'all smash the thumbs up. You feel? Let's try to get this video to 3 likes in the first 24 hours. I'm like, oh yeah, you didn't think I was gonna say that. You did. Yeah, 3 likes, man. You rock with these guys, man. Like the video, really is that simple. I ain't gonna come back for no likes, man. I can't do it. I ain't got it in my heart to come in like 1,000 likes. On for 6 days, and before that I posted like 3 videos, and I was going like, nah, we not doing that. So look, you rocking with the vibe. You know, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join the squad. Road to 35K once again. We 2,000 subscribers, almost 2,000 subscribers. Man, I've really been showing love. I have not been consistent, so I'm so sorry. But the consistency is coming. Like, not subscribed. We want to be subscribed for this. It's going to be a lot of Fuego videos back to back. I'm just saying, subscribe, hit that bell. Really, that's simple. With that being said, though, let's go and take this video. Is some Fuego or not?
그것도 있어. 우리 미국 갔을 때 어떤 그 셀럽 분이랑 같이 사진을 찍었는데.
With the celebrity.
근데 아 맞다.
Okay, what's the left?
They know exactly.
뭐 하고 있었는 거야? 이러고 있었는데.
Let's start the video with something I have never seen before, and then it blew my mind. We 20 seconds into this video, and she just sitting up.
And it came
You feel it? Oh, bro, you feel me? Like, what are you talking about?
이러고 있었는데. 이러고 있었는데요.
Right here, but he in the middle. You know I'm gonna get. They be teed. I rock with this. What's the love? Oh, bro, it's been a little minute. We in here though.
127 단체 사진은 항상 컨셉이 확실한데.
Threw Michael Jackson on that.
Fire truck.
He like, I'm clear.
4, 3, 2, 1. Silent John's attempts on making Bella love it, making Bella behave.
Wait. No.
In front of your face, though. He in there scrubbing. That man, he do not feel like doing it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. No.
No, you can't go put it. Look.
Birthday to you. No.
The dog like, why you playing with me?
Turn.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, I rock with the dog. The dog got a man of his own. He just beat up.
No.
Oh no, he didn't.
와우. 약간 간지 설명해줬어요?
Look, these edits though.
Wait a minute.
Ain't nobody agreeing.
My glasses.
네, 지성이
They broke though.
네, 지성이 설마.
또 부셨어?
Again.
내가 안 그랬어.
제노가 하도 지성이를 예뻐.
Oh, that must be a common thing.
짝사랑이 지긋지긋하고 귀찮다 보니까 아 미안해.
He say my fault, my fault.
Thank you for tuning in on another episode of Chinese Communication Center.
Okay.
Thanks, Utah.
Thank you guys watching our JCC.
Yes.
He said,
Japan.
Jafam.
Josam.
Jafam.
Thank you.
He said, I'm not even trying that again.
更清爽，搞笑起来又比搞笑艺人更好笑。成员们同意这样的评价吗？
其实我们在努力，其实可以比女团更性感。比如说这个。
Did they even answer the? They didn't answer the question. They say you comedians. They say actually, you feel me? You feel me? We can just be a little better than everybody. You know, we just in here. Then why they start you in his name?
其实我们在努力，其实可以比女团更性感。比如说这个。I agree. I strongly agree.
Hey, they put Mark. Hey, I love this channel, man. So all the people who like to comment to this, I'm gonna put it in the beginning. Okay, let's see.
I see a watermelon.
I'm gonna just let you solve it.
So all you have to do is look at their feet. That foot is Ji-Yun's, these feet are Hei-chan's, so the only foot left is this one. But if you look closely at Johnny's pose, you can clearly tell that one of his foot is in the air, meaning this is Jungwoo's foot and his position is this. Mystery solved.
All I see is watermelon.
How is his body like that, dude?
他对自己的设定呢，就是悲剧男主角。
他说一只人。
What?
你的人格，对，因为我有东西。
Dang, well, I mean, dude.
在线打
That's what I'm saying. You.
在线打哥哥。
Oh, bro, I'm like, wait.
这就是我说的大屏幕上，如果抓到人他就是在这样的 pose。大家，我说实话，我真的没有在宿舍里面照镜子照那样式的。
In the back.
진짜 숙소에서 거울 보면서.
He told you he fed up.
越想越久，啥时候干过这种事儿啊？啥时候干过这种事儿啊？ 今天电台超值啊！
He on his heels.
差不多行了，差不多行了。你知道姐姐给我这是干嘛的吗？为了打你。
Evil.
就大家看了不方便啊。按着。
And these edits be like beyond perfect. I don't know how you do this.
이 노래 좋아요. 요즘 노래 너무 내 취향이야.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody, calm down.
Oh, what?
This is all happening in his mind.
Hey. 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 Okay, let's see.
조금 짧아요.
Bro. What?
동혁아 결혼해줘. 결혼했어.
Somebody I did. Right.
얘랑 나야.
Oh, hold on.
He said yes.
나 대가리랑 결혼해. 대가리가 내 대가리의 남자친구를 맡고 있습니다.
Okay, well I mean, okay, why they wouldn't? Let's see.
다음 달에 대가리랑 결혼하는데 대가리 아직 성인도 아닌데.
Oh.
좀 더 크고. 해찬 형이 뭐지? 다음 달인가? 다음 주인가에 대가리랑 결혼식을 한대요. 대가리랑 결혼식을 한대요. 뭐야 이게?
I don't think nobody agrees.
직업은
So,
자, 그래서 오늘의 주인공 대가리입니다. 안녕.
hey, it's the cutest little dog. Hey, you know what type of dog that is? Let me know.
Because they don't live long because they're so small.
That's not good. They so
They're
cute.
not as long as most dogs.
I can make you laugh. If you laugh,
The question is, how many people knew when they seen that they was talking about a dog? Cause we learned about this. We was just saying we kind of learned about. I'm just like, but y'all like, oh, they talking about a person. Nope.
I was trying to see what they was talking about. Then I seen the dog, and I was like,
Oh no! Who knew before the scene of the doggy coming in? That's
I mean, it was really hard to,
If you don't know cherry version either, let me know inside the comments. I'm not gonna question of the day because I probably like we just stopped the video. Like, yeah, we gotta do question. I can't come back to a video without doing question of the day. So question of the day is, y'all, if I started doing like live reactions, you feel me, like stuff that I can just, you feel me, just chill in the corner, you feel me, record a little something and not actually, you feel me, have to do 9 hours worth of editing, you feel me, just do like live music or reactions or whatever the case may be. But y'all want to get in tune with that, you feel me? I can find out how to set it up, you feel me? I can come on there and comment your own, you feel me, live reactions, you get what I'm saying? Like, actually come on there, I can watch that, but you feel me, request something, you feel me? Like, stuff like that. So, would y'all rock with them vibes? We try to do that, you feel me, get that popping, because I feel like I've been seeing a lot of videos for a long time. You feel like a really, really long time. So I can knock a lot of videos out about you feel just do it like it's too many videos. I get like 700 like requests, and then I feel bad when I can't do other people's videos because I'm seeing so many different requests. So yeah, I feel like that can solve a lot of problems. So let me know inside the comments if y'all rock with them bags. But I'm gonna go ahead and get back into this video. No kizzy cap though. Hopefully y'all having a good day though. No cap. What day is it today for y'all? I don't know. Hell, everybody.
Jimmy Ross.
Dang. Okay, what's up? A newly playing the dope.
재민이가 지성이와 함께 자전거를 타고 공원을 갔다.
Okay.
지성공원이었다.
정답. 귀여워.
Hey, that's wrong. Is it true though? This was 1 year ago. You see the thing? 20-year-old spot is struggling. Oh, man.
지성입니다.
You don't ride a bike?
The way it said, they did pop up pamper videos. Oh, okay. Who else?
늙은 버섯 정답.
행운차 퀘스트 행운차 가투리. 어떡해 네가 너무 이제 거기서 안 해도 돼.
Oh, that mean what that mean? Like his voice finna get deeper? Cause that's what I think that's how it happened.
이제 가는 이제 식당이.
It don't even be on purpose though.
여기에 한 명의 천재와 한 명의 미. 한 명의 천재와.
Everybody die every time too.
Aw, babies grow up so fast.
No, why it gotta be over? But hey, he be snapping. Hey, I just checked this thing. It say this video got 30K likes and 33 dislikes. The whole video, and this video got like 300 and some thousand views. Me, that ratio, I am loving this channel. Even that's cold right there, no count. Like this video, I feel like the like ratio just told you by itself how cold the video was. Like this video was like almost 10 minutes long. You can't even be mad. That's a decent video. It ain't no 13, 14 minute video, but almost 10, like 9:44. I ain't gonna capture you the videos. I'm 20 20 seconds into the video, you feel me, and got me, you feel me, pausing the video like, dang, I ain't never seen this before. Like, you throwing in good clips I ain't never seen, you feel me? And this video came out like 3 months ago, so I see why other people like this, why I've been seeing this inside the comments at the same time. So I'm definitely, I felt the video it's just funny. I felt it's undefeated channel, still undefeated. Like, I ain't got not one complaint. Like, all the clips, it's funny. The editing is on 100s, you feel me? Like, you really been stopping for a long time. Like, I gotta give you a pop. Plus the like ratio, we not mad. Plus it's got subtitles on the video. We ain't have to put no subtitles. I love when channels do that, you feel? And it be popping out at the perfect time with extra like the editing. You just, yeah, you just did those. Like, I ain't got no complaints whatsoever. Like, if any other videos like this, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. How you feeling about the video?
I can't really say not much more than what he already said. You feel me? Like, y'all already know how I rock with NCT. Like, I don't done more than NCT on my channel than anything else for a reason. Yeah, you know my favorite part? When she did her little edit, when she did her version of the little edit. Yeah, you went crazy. Edits always go crazy. Definitely. I like the outro best. Sometimes I don't even care what's in the middle. But as soon as I see the intro outro, I know the video's gonna be fire.
Get turned just a little bit, no cap. But how you feel?
That's what the video for sure. My favorite part of this video was probably when it was the car, because he was just calling me. Like,
I told you he was fed up with it. Like,
he said the link ratio. Like, that's stupendous.
Bro.
Low key, that's real. Like, that's just mind blowing.
Like goals.
Right, like goals. Something serious.
That's dedication. 33 dislikes. It's been months. You mean to tell
those
me
33 people some haters?
No cap, you gotta be a full blown hater. Like,
with their eyes closed.
And they didn't watch it at all. They just clicked the video. Look, this what happened. They tried to click the like button, but their finger slipped. You feel me? And then it accidentally hit the dislike button, and that's the only reason they got dislikes. That's the only thing I come up with. You feel me? Like,
it was so fire they couldn't handle it.
YouTube.
They like the
bots go out there.
They like the video so much. They said, no, I can't share this with no one else. After I'm rocking with these badges, but like I said, any other video like this, please throw that down in the comments, bro. I ain't got no complaints whatsoever. But like I said, and my brothers got their own channels for me up this video. Top the links out the description. You wanna go watch more Heat? You feel like it's doing a little minutes out of record, so you gonna watch more videos. Because like you wanna wait till tomorrow, then yeah, go do that. Top the links for me. That's it. Going up this video though. See y'all smash the thumbs up. You feel? Let's try to get this video 3 likes. You thought I was gonna change because it's the end of the video. We 20 minutes in. No, 3 likes. We are going back. Really, it's that simple. But if new to the channel, though, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the squad. Like I said, roll to 35K. So if you're not subscribed, man, subscribe. Try to hit that bell. Like I said, consistency for the take all these videos for the, like I said, back to back bangs. It's Jalen here. You got a little schedule now. You actually have a little schedule now because yeah, you have to get it. You got a little schedule. So hopefully y'all rock with these guys, Jimmy. Let's just show that love. Really is that simple. That being said, though, y'all stay smooth, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe. Hopefully y'all had a good day. If not, it's always tomorrow. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.